Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. Some of the lightning round. What's over? And then the lightning round's over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Tell me the lightning round comes on. Start with Annette in Pennsylvania. Annette.
Hi, Jim. Booyah.
Booyah.
Hey, I am calling about a stock that I bought toward the end of October. By the way, I'm a new investment club member, and I'm learning a lot.
Be at our meeting Friday, our nice club meeting. Go ahead.
Yep. So this stock I bought toward the end of October, thought it was a great time to enter because it was on its way down. But since then, I've lost 50% of my position. I wanted to know whether I should hold my nose and buy some more or not. The stock that I'm calling about is RCII, Rent Spencer.
Well, I got to tell you, it was a terrible quarter. It's just a terrible quarter. It's at $27. I would still sell it. I wish I could be more positive, but it was a very bad quarter. Let's go to Vernon in Texas, please. Vernon.
Hey, Jim. How you doing?
I am good. How are you?
Hey, good. Yeah, so I got into NEO early March 2020, and this was considered a hot stock in 2020, rose to 66 with a 300 price target.
Right.
And I think with the Biden administration, the EV industry is getting hit pretty bad. So with these SEC regulations for Chinese companies and, NEO ADR, where do you see this in the near future?
I'm not recommending any Chinese stocks. I think the market situation is too perilous and difficult to do so. Jerry in Florida. Jerry.
Yeah, hi. Booyah.
Booyah.
I wanted to ask your opinion on B. Riley.
Okay, this is a very inexpensive banking company. I know them. I did do some work with them, and I have to tell you, it's like every other broker. It's just down huge. And you can pick your broker. They're all down huge, and no one seems to want them. Let's go to Near in Pennsylvania. Near.
Hey, Jimmy. What's going on? How you doing?
Trying to fathom this Ukraine thing. But what's going on with you?
I actually met you years ago in Philadelphia in a restaurant called Rouge back in the days. I don't know if you remember. But anyway,
okay.
I have a question regarding Alto Ingredients. I don't know if you paid attention. The company actually increased the gross profit guidance by 50% to over $60 million. They actually
I do not know that company.
Alcohol.
I do not know them. They're very interesting, obviously, after what we just saw with REGI. I got to look at anything that's done using any sort of bio. Let's go to Mike in Texas. Mike.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
My stock is STEM, STEM. I wanted to know, what did you think about the quarter? Is it a buy here, especially with all the attention on energy lately?
There was a period during which a lot of these SPACs just had such great momentum, and then that period ended. This is a very good company. A lot of people feel it just turns out to be in a commodity business to be able to help be able to balance out the grid. I think it's better than that, but I totally understand no one wants a SPAC. Let's go to Troy in Washington, please. Troy.
Hey, Jim. Booyah.
Booyah.
Hey, I have a question about Origin Materials. Last week, Origin announced that they had received $400 million from the state of Louisiana to build their second plant, which is set to break ground in 2023, and $100 million in incentives. Just wanted to hear your thought on that. Thanks, Jim.
Well, this is speculative stock. A lot of people feel like, well, after renewable energy, how can you not own this stock? But I've got to tell you, remember, renewable energy was profitable and doing a lot of great things. That is not the case with this particular stock. Let's go to Tom in Ohio, please. Tom. Tom?
Yes.
You're up, Tom.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
This is Tom calling from Suffield, Ohio.
Excellent.
I love your show, and thank you for the entertainment and education you provide.
That's what I want to do. Thank you.
I'm calling about Academy Sports and Outdoors, ASO. It's declined significantly from its high in November. Should I keep the stock or sell it?
It sells
Thank
at
you.
4 times earnings. What a horrible market. This is not just a bad market. This is a horrendous market. I'm not going to tell you stock sells at 4 times earnings. That doesn't make any sense to me. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.